At Tecniplant, we specialise in the design, engineering and construction of a wide range of innovative equipment. We provide integrated and modular solutions for solid-liquid separation, oil-water separation and water treatment. Our pilot units enable us to study, design and implement the best solution for our customers' needs. Quality and innovation at Tecniplant come through safety and environmental respect. Our experience and expertise are at your service. Tecniplant. Think, develop, perform.